Right, just completed another project, and here's the customer. Hello.
Hi there. Liam Davison met Eric purely because he's done several properties within the street. We moved to Crownhill about a year ago, done previous renovations on older properties, and built up very good relationships with builders. They come in actually to obviously give us a quote to knock the wall down, to do the kitchen, bathrooms and such. But admittedly, as good as the relationship I had with them, they were far too expensive. So obviously we got recommended Eric. He come round, really professional, had several appointments prior to actually doing the work, had several quotations to try and fit it around what we were after. So Eric was very accommodating, and obviously listened to what he would do and what we would do, and we obviously come to an agreement. We started the work. Supposed to be potentially sort of 6 weeks. It did overlap around about sort of 8 to 9 weeks, but there was certain issues that were, obviously we didn't sort of anticipate in terms of the delivery of the kitchen. Worktops were an issue, but as a team we all sort of tried to work together. The team that Eric have, very efficient, they just sort of crack on and do what they need to do, but the quality of work I find is, we're really happy. Going through the whole process was quite tricky because we were there at each step of the way and we were thinking, I can't see it sort of coming together. But essentially the end product we're really happy with. We've been in it now for sort of 3, 4, 5 months, no, probably 4 months. And to be honest, I haven't had to call Eric once, to be honest, which is a good sign. But yeah, happy with the end result. So yeah, good.
Thank you very much, Liam. Thank you.